Hello friends, I'm with the new tutorial. I'm going to discuss the modes of the router. It is very easy just to open Cisco packet trace and I will show you. I'll explain with my short notes, short point. These are the router mode. The first one is the user mode. As we get on the router, we get in the user mode by default. Here we go. Click on CLI. Just wait a few seconds. In the user mode, we have a limited access to router. We can just simply click the enable command to get into another mode or to configure terminal line. Here we go. We got it. Click no because we don't want to get in configuration, automatic configuration. Now you can ping from here, or you want to switch to another mode that is called privilege mode. Here we go. We got another mode. We call it privilege mode. We get the privilege mode. It support more commands than the user mode, and that's more we can see the configuration that we made previously in an router by this command. This is a simple command, but to get in this mode, what we have to do, we have to simply enter enable. As we write enable, click on it, we will get in this mode. Let me show you. Here we go. Alright, enable. Alright, enable here, and then click it, enter. You guys can see I got in privilege mode. Now in privilege mode, if you have done any kind of configuration in your router, you can check by show run command, enter any kind of configuration if you have done in your router, you can check it here. As we have done nothing, everything is down and 0 0 0 0. Here we go. We have the third mode that we called now we got the global mode, which is the very powerful mode, and therefore it is called administrator. It supports more commands than the user and the privilege mode. And thus we can change the name of the router, and can also configure the IPs and interfaces, and you can stop the videos and can read this function. Let me show you how to change the host name. By default its name is router 0. You can see here router 0. I'm going to change it. First we have to get to the config mode, the global mode. To get in global mode, what you have to do, you have to enter config t. You have to enter this command. I'm going to copy it from here simply so you guys can see that it really works. I'm going to paste it. Here we go. Let me show you a little bit closely. Paste it and click enter. As we got enter, you guys can see that I am in router config mode. Now what you have to do to change the host name, right host name. Let's say I'm going to call it R1. Here we go. Click enter. You guys can see that and change to R1. Have you seen that I changed to R1? That is now R1. Okay, and you have to stop the video and see these kind of things. All the contents I defined it. Now in the third mode, the fourth one is the interface mode. To get in interface mode, you must be in global mode. Just remember one thing, that you can't just switch from first mode to the fourth mode. From the user mode to the interface mode. You have to get one by one to reach the interface mode. Now enter INTF, interface 0 by 0, 0 by 0. I mean that we are going to enter in the interface the number 0 by 0. Click it. Okay, here you guys can see that one config dash if. That means that we are now in interface mode. Here we go. What manual says. From the name we can get an idea that is the configuration of the interface. Yep, we can assign IP. If the line is down, we can make are active. Okay, and you have to enter this to get in it, as you guys have seen practically that we got in R1. And there is one very very powerful and important mode. There is the fifth and hidden mode that is known as ROM monitor mode. ROM monitor mode is very important. If if you guys lost the configuration of the router, you can install the iOS or some kind of iOS got it corrupt. You can repair it from here. If you forgot, there is a very important function of it. If you forgot the password of your router, just go through it, get in ROM monitor mode, and you will see that by changing the registry value you can change the password of your router. You can break the password of your router. This is the sign of ROM monitor mode, and let me show you here how to get in ROM monitor mode. For this you have to restart your router. Here we go. I'm going to restart it and come to your command line, then press control break. Here we go. You guys can see that I got in ROM monitor mode. Or if you have a computer, you have keyboard, just you have to press control break or control pause. That you will definitely get in it, and by changing the registry value you can break your password. I hope you guys like this video, and I will come with the next good and better video. Thank you for watching.